हम इंग्लिश में छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक करते हैं और वो छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक हमें बहुत बड़ी बड़ी लगने लगती है। सो हमारी छोटी छोटी जो गलतियां हैं वो हमें नेगेटिव की ओर लेकर जाती हैं कि नहीं, ये तो मेरे बस की बात नहीं है, मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकता। आई विल मेक दिस वीडियो इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी। जो मिस्टेक्स हैं वो होगा ही होगा, क्योंकि ये भाषा न्यू है। दिस इज अ न्यू लैंग्वेज फॉर अस because of we are not habitual with this language. So if we learn this language, so it will happen with us that we make more mistakes while learning this language because of we are not habitual. This is not our mother tongue, so it happens with us. But the thing is that if you learn this language, so you have to know more things in this. Like if you done here, sandwich. So just know this word pronunciation. So it's pronounced sandwich, not sandwich. In the beginning, we can mistake. It's normal thing. But guys, if you start learning every day and improving yourself every day, so you will see that little by little you can gain more knowledge related this language because of you practice and you learning more things. So after few months, few years, it will be easy for you because of you are practicing, you are learning every day. You are putting your efforts, your potential, you are mixing your time, your potential, more things, your efforts, and you will success one day. And that is true. So in this video, I want to motivate you that if you're learning this language, so do not think that I will quit this language. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, समटाइम्स हम सोच तो लेते हैं कि हमें इंग्लिश बोलना है, लेकिन आफ्टर फ्यू डेज हमें ये रियलाइज होता है कि नहीं, हम नहीं बोल सकते। हमारे जो आसपास जो हमारे नेबर्स होते हैं, हमारी फैमिलीज में जो होते हैं, रिलेटिव होते हैं, वो सब हिंदी में बोलते हैं या हमारी मदर टंग में बोलते हैं। तो हमें बहुत सफर करना पड़ता है इंग्लिश सीखने के टाइम पर, इंग्लिश बोलने के टाइम पर। सो ऐसा सबके साथ होता है। Creating this video, I have an information for you that your little step towards learn English, it will give you more things one day. So just learn, don't quit. इस वीडियो में मेरा जो मैसेज है, क्योंकि मैं भी कभी कभी फील करती हूँ, मैं भी सोचती हूँ कि मुझे आज पूरे दिन इंग्लिश बोलना है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हो पाता है। लोग हमसे लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं जो वो रेगुलर करते हैं, क्योंकि उनको वही भाषा बोलनी है। तो जब हमें सीखना है तो हमें उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करना होगा, हमें डेली बोलना होगा। हम जो कुछ भी सीखते हैं उसे हमें प्रैक्टिस में लाना है। जब तक हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे, हम प्रैक्टिस में से नहीं लाएंगे। इफ यू लिसन इंग्लिश सॉन्ग, वॉच इंग्लिश वीडियोज, लाइक यू राइटिंग, रीडिंग, everything you do in your daily, but you do not practice to speak, then you will able to write and understand as well as read, but you will not able to speak. Speak comes by your practice, by speaking. So just always remember this thing. And another thing here, like you think that I will learn grammar after then start speaking, so that is totally wrong thing. It had been 2 years I learned grammar around because of I wanted to speak English. So that's why reason I learned grammar and then I started speaking English. But when I started to speak, I was totally blank because of I was listening, reading, writing, not to speak. So that was reason I was not able to speak. But when I tried, I failed. I failed because of I was learning all things, not speaking. So as you much you learn in your day, just speak. Does not matter you speak right or wrong. Does not matter you make more mistake. Doesn't matter. Just matter this thing that you speak. That is matter. अगर आप बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं बोलते समय इंग्लिश, सो इट डजेंट मैटर. आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, मैटर ये करता है. आई नो यू जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट वेयर आई सजेस्ट to you that only practice, only speaking, as well as in some of the videos where I give tips to apply in your life and learn in your day. But mostly I refer to you that speak, because of it's a real thing and it comes little by little. Like this is a circle. Just imagine you have to reach one of the highest level. Okay, but this is a point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, these are number. You can just imagine there is given and written numbers, and you are taking the step 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, because of you will have to reach on the highest level. So just think what should do. What is your first step? Your first step to reach first number, and then second and third and fourth and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Like this you reaching one by one, and as well as gradually, slowly. English is like a circle. This is the advanced level, and you want to reach advanced level. At least you want to reach there where you can express your thought, your feelings in English. You can get a good job, good command in English. So first of all you have to take a first step, second step, third step, and then you will see that you are crossing every numbers of circle. And when you practice, when you try, when you keep on taking a small step every day, then you will reach one day. For example, you want to become a doctor, an IAS officer, and you will learn day by day whatever you want to become in your life. So as you have to learn English and become a good speaker in English, so just give your potential, give your efforts, and give your special time to learn this language, where you will have to hard work more, and then you will learn this language. I hope you like this video, understood everything which I shared with you, and forget the press bell icon bottom so any mistake while speaking. So it's my humble request to you, please forgive me, please. Thank you.